like it's gonna rain.
Yeah. Seems a little bouncy right now. Do you want me to push it out a little?
Yeah. Good morning, friend. This morning we're going to take you on a little tour of the Rio. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of nice homes, a lot of marinas and boats and launches and all kind of fun stuff to see. So we're gonna go get some fuel and then head out and show you some sights.
What's the story of this boat? What a huge boat. Look at those windows. Those windows must be amazing. Bueno. Bye-bye. This is Hotel Backpackers. It's a well-known hangout spot in this area. We had a little Halloween party there and it was really fun. It was organized for the kids, but of course the adults had great fun. Here's the Rio Dulce Bridge. Boats that pass under the Rio Dulce Bridge often ask the height of the bridge, but it's these power lines that are most likely to hit the mast because they actually droop in places a little lower than the bridge. So there's always a lot of discussion about what the clearance is on this bridge. Here's the public dock where all of the launches park. And a lot of tourists come to the Rio Dulce that aren't on boats in order to take river tours on these launches. So these launches go out all the time with a lot of locals who come to see the river and all the beautiful places on the river. Here's part of kind of the downtown terrace area. The street that we're always on is straight up at the end of the bridge. That's where all the tiendas are. Here is the Castillo. It was built in around 1600 by the Spanish in order to protect their trading route through Guatemala from the pirates that were also trying to plunder their ships. So we've toured it a couple of times, and it's beautiful also just to come see by water because it's such a pretty place, such a beautiful setting.
By the riverside, where I drink my wine. If you feel blue, I got some for you. I got love, my little dove. It's all I'm dreaming.
Yeah, we're at Tortle visiting our friends Jerry and Debbie. Their boat is in the boatyard on the hard, so getting some work done on it. So while it's on the hard, they're staying here in one of the little cabanas at Tortugal. It's got a little outdoor area with the hammock and chairs and a table right here by where their boat usually is.
You see a little bit of every house, every kind of house structure on the river. Some modern looking, very nice homes, some thatch, some old style thatched roof, very nice homes, and some shanty shacks that are still around. But
look at that one, has like an outdoor kitchen, indoor outdoor kitchen kind of over there. It's very nice.
looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah. Es muy bien para comer.
Sí,
Sí,
rico.
sí.
Sí, rico.
Rico,
Sí.
rico. Oh.
Mira.
You missed our workout yesterday. What do you have to say about that, Randall?
I'm not very happy about it, but we're gonna make up for it today.
Yeah.
A lot of overlanders that pass through and stay overnight here at Marine, and you get some totally cool rigs in here. Like this one's from the UK, and this other one is from Germany, and I think they're traveling together. And this third one over here is from Switzerland.
Disfrute de un sabroso helado de cono, helados deliciosos, de vasito o de conito. Todos llevan su deliciosa mielita artesanal. Disfrute y dese un gusto con un sabroso helado que solo encontrará en el distrito de los helados. Acérquese a nuestra unidad y disfrute de este día con un sabroso.
What did you get?
12.
Mucho sabor.
Tiene que esperar que se seque con la arena.
So we're still out at anchor, and we moved out to anchor so that the guys that are working on the deck can do lots of sanding and grinding and make noise and make a mess without being in the marina and bothering people. So I'm gonna fly the drone up and see if I can get a look at the guys working on it. But they've got some sunshades set up on the foredeck to keep it a little cooler up there, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to see them or not, but we'll give it a shot. Man, when I took off, that painter got sucked in under the dinghy.
When?
When I took off from here,
Oh? I don't like to drive dinghy.
you're a very good driver.
Huh?
You're a very good driver.
It doesn't have brakes. I think that kind of bothers me. I mean, would here be, or Guatemala City be better?
Well,
Probably here.
Say it just because and we can get high in the the starlit sky. Take my hand, and I'll make no demands except to love my little dove. That's all I'm dreaming. Oh.